Would you like to earn money by simply listening to music? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, we are going to share a unique opportunity that allows you to do just that. Make money online from the comfort of your home by listening to music. Imagine being able to kick back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes while earning cash at the same time. No more tedious tasks or mind-numbing work, just pure enjoyment and financial rewards. Intrigued? Let me break it down for you. The first step is to visit a website called Mixkit.com. This platform is a treasure trove of free assets, including a vast collection of music tracks that you can use without any attribution or sign-up required. We're not creating any projects here. We're simply going to leverage this website to listen to music and earn money in the process. As you scroll through Mixkit.com, you'll notice hundreds, if not thousands, of songs across various genres, from acoustic to hip-hop, from electronic to classical. Take a moment to browse through the tracks and find the ones that resonate with you. The beauty of this method is that you get paid for every song you listen to. Now let's talk numbers. According to the data, listening to just one song can earn you $8. 10 songs. That's $80 in your pocket. Imagine earning $160 for listening to 20 songs or even $400 for 50 songs. The potential earnings are staggering, up to $800 or more for listening to 100 songs. But here's the best part. This method is completely free, meaning no investment is required on your part. Even if you're a complete beginner who has never made money online before, you can start earning right away. To give you an idea of how this works, let me walk you through the process step by step. First, navigate to the Mixkit.com website and browse through the different music genres. As mentioned earlier, you'll find a wide variety, including acoustic, hip-hop, electronic, and many more. Once you've found a track that catches your ear, simply click the play button to listen to it. You don't have to listen to the entire song, just enough to get a feel for it. If you like what you hear, click the download button located just below the play button. This will save the song to your computer or smartphone. Repeat this process for as many songs as you'd like. Remember, the more songs you download, the more potential earnings you'll have. I recommend downloading at least 15 to 20 songs to start with, but don't be afraid to download even more if you find tracks that you enjoy. With your music library ready, it's time to move on to the next step, a website called up-forever.org. This platform pays you to upload your files and images, including the music tracks you've just downloaded from Mixkit.com. Here's how it works. Every time someone downloads your music files from up-forever.org, you earn money. The website has a tiered structure that categorizes your earnings based on the location of the person downloading your files. Downloads from the United States and Canada are in Tier 1, earning you $7 per 1,000 downloads. Other tiers, such as Australia Tier 2, Saudi Arabia, the UAE Tier 3, and the rest of the world Tier 4, offer varying payouts. To get started on up-forever.org, you'll need to create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward. Simply provide your username and email address and create a password. You can even sign up using your existing Facebook, Twitter, or Google account for added convenience. Once you've logged in, navigate to your dashboard and click on the Upload Files section. Here, you can begin uploading the music tracks you downloaded from Mixkit.com. Before you start, take note of the warnings. Ensure that you're not uploading any copyrighted material, as this could result in your account being closed, and make sure your ad blocker is turned off to avoid any interruptions during the upload process. To upload a file, click the Choose File button and select the desired song from your computer or smartphone. Once selected, you'll have the option to make the file public, which is essential for allowing others to access and download it. Additionally, you can optimize your files by providing the name of the music track and the artist's name. This information can be found on the Mixkit.com website, making it easy to accurately label your uploads. Having accurate and descriptive titles can make your files more discoverable and appealing to potential downloaders. After filling in the necessary details, click the Start Upload button, and your file will be uploaded to onilne.Forever.org. Depending on your internet connection speed, this process may take a few seconds or minutes. Now comes the exciting part: setting a price for your music file. Remember, every time someone downloads the file, you'll be earning money. To set a price, locate the file you just uploaded and click on the Actions or Edit button. From there, you can specify the desired price, such as $7 per download. Repeat this process for all the music tracks you've uploaded, ensuring that each file has a price assigned to it. As a general rule, it's best to keep the prices consistent across your uploads to avoid confusing potential customers. But that's not all. onilne.Forever.org also offers multiple profit modes, including paid referrals, website banners, and even the ability to sell your files directly. With over 20 different payment options, including PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, and Western Union, you can withdraw your earnings as soon as you reach the minimum payout of just $1. Now you might be wondering, how can I attract people to download my music files? Well, the key lies in promotion. You'll need to actively share your links across various social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even forums or online communities related to music or content creation. One effective strategy is to create engaging content around your music uploads. For example, you could record short video clips or create visual graphics showcasing the tracks you've uploaded. Share snippets of the songs, highlight their genre or mood, and provide a compelling reason for viewers to download them. Additionally, you could collaborate with other content creators in your niche, exchanging shoutouts or guest appearances on each other's channels or platforms. This cross-promotion can expose your music files to a broader audience and potentially drive more downloads. As people start downloading your files, you'll begin earning money based on the tier structure and the number of downloads. It's that simple. Of course, like any online endeavor, success with this method requires consistency and patience. The more files you upload and the more actively you promote your links, the higher your earning potential becomes. To further maximize your earnings, consider diversifying your music library. While you may have initially focused on a particular genre or style, branching out and offering a wider variety of tracks can appeal to a broader audience and increase your chances of making more sales. As your earnings grow, you can reinvest a portion of your profits into promoting your music files more aggressively. This could involve paid advertising campaigns on social media platforms, or even collaborating with influencers in your niche to reach their dedicated followers. Remember, while this method may not make you an overnight millionaire, it presents a unique and enjoyable way to earn money online from the comfort of your home. Imagine being able to listen to music and get paid for it. It's a win-win situation. However, it's important to approach this opportunity with realistic expectations. While the potential earnings are indeed lucrative, it's crucial to understand that building a substantial income stream through this method will take time, effort, and dedication. Consistency is key. Consistently uploading new music tracks, consistently promoting your links, and consistently engaging with your audience will be the driving force behind your success. Treat this as a legitimate business venture, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Additionally, it's always a good idea to have multiple income streams and not rely solely on this method. Diversifying your online earning opportunities can provide a safety net and ensure a steady flow of income, even if one particular method experiences a temporary lull. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today by visiting Mixkit.com, downloading your favorite music tracks, and uploading them to onilne.Forever.org. The path to earning money online has never been more enjoyable. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more innovative ways to make money online. We will be sharing more tips, tricks, and strategies to help you maximize your earnings and achieve financial freedom.